Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but today I'm going to be doing a video on my new 2017 Infiniti Q60 3-liter twin turbo. It has a Lux package, and so I'm going to be doing my first modification, which is a chrome delete. And so I'm gonna walk you guys through that. But first, I'm going to give a little walk around as to what options this car has. But it's a really nice car. I really like the way it drives. But at first, we're gonna be moving this car out of here. This is my dad's B8 S4. It has a CTS turbo intake as well as a resonator delete. So we're doing a cold start on both these cars. Alright, yeah guys, so that was a cold start on the Q60. I think it definitely needs some kind of exhaust modification. Right now I've been looking at the Rev 9 axle back just because it's pretty cheap and has some good sound. So, but if you guys have any other recommendations in the comments, just let me know. But as far as the walk around, it's got these pretty nice rims. I actually really like these. It's a really sporty appearance. And then this is the interior, got a black interior, really nice sports seats. It's a really nice car in general. So anyway, for the chrome we're getting rid of today, it's not gonna be all of it. It's just gonna be on the door handles and then also along all the window right there. And then as far as other modifications I have coming, I have carbon vents on order, carbon mirror caps on order. I also have AMS intakes on order, and then I'll probably eventually order some sort of exhaust, a spoiler, something like that. Just a little preview on what's to come with the car. But let's get started with the chrome delete. So on eBay, this is about 30 bucks, I think $35. This covers basically just the windows and the door handles. It's all pre-cut with just 3M on the back, so it should be pretty easy to install. I have this to help me just to lay it out. And so yeah, this should be pretty easy. Hopefully it's not that hard. Alright, so I just gave the chrome a good wash with the microfiber towel. So I think now I'm ready to start. So I'm going to start with the door handles because I've seen other people do it and it seems like that's the best place to start because they give you 2 of them. So they give you 4 door handles. Or if you mess up, you can redo it. So I'm going to start with the door handles since I have more of those and it's the smallest part. So we'll see how those go. And then from there, I'll just keep on moving. And then I'll probably just show you guys the end results once I'm done. Alright guys, so the window trim wrap is complete. I did the driver's side first, which is this side, and it was a little more rough just because it was my first time wrapping anything. And as you can see, there's pretty big imperfections just on this one piece, just because it's so complex. It kind of goes up right there, and then this is all one piece, so that's why that one, it was the hardest piece probably on the whole car. The rest of it I think turned out pretty good. The door handles look pretty nice. The passenger side probably turned out the best, honestly. The passenger side there's really no blemishes whatsoever. It's completely perfect. But yeah. So I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do about the other side. Maybe I can get a new piece and redo it, but we'll have to see. It's not a huge deal for the time being. You can really only see when you get up close. And also, I would really recommend using a heat gun while you're doing this, because a lot of the edges on the corners here, like all these pieces, they all get, the wrap all starts to come up on them, so you have to use a heat gun to try and keep it down. And once you heat it up enough, it does end up working. So yeah, but I think it really looks really good. It gives the car a nice look. I'm gonna be kind of going for a black and gray theme on this car. I got carbon coming in the front, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with this wrap. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to continue to see Q60 content and Q60 mods, I'll be posting a lot more in the future, so just make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.